let's start this by saying using what? Of a circle. Are you following me? Please pay attention. Very important. I want to recall something. Are you aware that we say that standard equation of the circle, standard equation of a circle is given as what? You can remind me. S minus h all square plus what? 1 minus k all square all equals to what? R square. Is it not? Now what? Whenever I say find the center and radius, using what? Completing the square method. What they want from you is that use that method to reduce this equation to this form. Are you there? Then when you now reduce this to this form, you can now compare the equation with this to find your what? H and what? And k. That will now form your center. Then compare this radius with anything you have from here. That will now give you what? Your radius. Are you following me? So solution. Yeah, we're going to have, let's go, x squared plus what? Y squared plus 8s plus 4y equals to what? Minus 2. Then, I'll look at the coefficient of what? Of this x and what? Y. I'll group this x with what? 8s. Group what? Y squared with what? 4y. By saying x squared plus what? 8s. Plus y squared plus what? 4y equals to what? Minus 2. You take what? Half what? Length of x, abi? And square it and half to what? Both sides. Not just for only x, for what? X and what? Y. Because we have two quadratic equations here. We have for x, we have for what? For y. Is it not so? So that means that I will take half of this 8 and square it, then add to what? Both sides. Can we proceed? Converting binomial to what? Binomial. This will give us what? Let's go watch. S squared. What do we have here? Plus 8s. Is it not? Plus, what is the half of 8? Let me write it there. 4 over 2, abi? All what? All squared. Are you seeing what I'm doing here? Is it not? Plus, what do you have here? Y squared. Plus what? 4y. Plus 1 half of 4. 4 over 2. Huh? Okay, sorry. 8 over 2. Okay, sorry. 8 over 2, abi? All squared. What about this? 4 over 2 all squared equals what? Minus 2 plus. I will then add this to the other side. Since on this side, the only thing we added here is what? This, abi? And this. I will do the same on this other side to balance this both equation. Is it not so? If I'm adding 2 here, I also add 2 here. I'm adding 20, I also add what? 20 here. Do you get it now? So that means plus what? All squared. I mean, plus 4 over what? 2 all squared. Are you following me, somebody? What do you have now left? We have x squared plus what? 8x. I mean, what is 8 over 2? Plus what? 4 squared. Don't put 16. 8 over 2 is what? Is 4, abi? That will give us what? 4 square. Plus, what do you have here? Y square plus 4y plus what? 2 square. Equals to what? Minus 2 plus. We can evaluate this now. This is 4, abi? What's 4 square? 16. What is this? What's 4 over 2? 2 square is what? 4. Now, this is our trinomial, abi? I'll convert this trinomial back to what? Binomial. Are you following me? You know, the sign here is what? Plus. What is sign here? Is plus. Are you there? Now how do you convert? I will pick this and this. Here becomes x plus, what do you have here? 4 all what? All square. If I have here as minus, here will be what? Minus. But because what we have here is what positive 8 over 2. Because the half of this 8 is what? Is what? 8 over 2, abi? And the sign here is what? Positive. Now it's not positive. Are you following me? So I'll put the plus there. But if I have minus sign, that means I'll put what? Minus. Then on this other side, what do we do? Plus, I'll pick what? Y. Plus meaning plus 2. All what again? Square. Then equals to what? Minus 2 plus 16 is what? Everything is what? 18, abi? Are you sure? Good. Then we now record. If you notice, I've converted this to what? Standard form. What is standard form saying? Recall the standard form of a circle, right? Is given as what? S minus h all square plus what? Y minus k all square equals to what? All square. Then I will say this is equation 1, abi? This is what? Equation 2. Are you following me? I will now say what again? Compare what? Compare both equations. Are you following me? By comparison, what does that imply? That minus h, abi, is equals to what? 4. That means what? Minus k equals to what? 2. That means what? R square equals to what? 18. Can we proceed? That means what? Minus h equals to what? Minus equals to 4 now. Is it not? It's plus 4 now. You are comparing this now, this equation with this. So you compare minus h because the standard form says f minus h, abi? So minus h equals to what? 4. So if that is true, that means what? H equals to what? Minus 4, abi? It means that therefore h is what? Minus 4. Also we compare what? Minus k equals to what? 2. That means what? K, sorry, minus 2, abi? Equals to 2, Ghana? That means what? Our k equals to what? To 2. Minus 2, thank you. Therefore, our center, what's our center? H comma k, which will give us what? What's our h? What's our h? Minus 4. What's our k? Is it the same answer we got? Yes. Then the next one says find the what? The radius, abi? Can we find, I'm not playing, can we find the radius? For the radius. Radius, we compare what? R square b with what? With 18. For our radius, we are going to say R square equals to what? 18. Therefore, R equals to what? Square root of what? 18. Which is same as what? 3 root what? 2. Final answer. There's nothing much there. Which one is better? That one, Abi. Please learn this method because we'll keep on learning this, using this in parabola, in ellipse, and what? Hyperbola. We'll keep on using this method. I'll give another example. I'll give similar example, then we'll solve again. Show that the equation four x square plus 4y square and find its what? Center and what? And radius. What does that imply? Well, let's say show that this represents a circle. They are not telling you to tell them the what? The circle properties. To tell them because the equation of x square and y square, they are the same. If it came out one certain way like that, people are just writing nonsense. Show means prove it. That means you convert this to what? To the standard form. And if you do that successfully, that means you have what? You are proving that. Are you following me now? Are you there? What they are saying is that convert this to the standard form. Then for the standard form, you cannot calculate what? The center and what? And the radius. Who can tell me the first thing we do? Thank you. We divide 3 by what? By 4. Because in a circle, coefficient of x square and y square must be what? 1. Must be the same. Must be 1 before you start solving. There's no way I can solve. Even though I'm to use my general method, can I solve that? I have to still divide 2 by what? By 4 before solving. Are you following me? Because I can't compare this with just only x squared plus y squared plus 2gs plus 2fy plus c equals 0. I can't compare this. They are not the same. Is it not? Yeah, we have what here? 4. Yeah, we have what here? So I can't compare. To make them to be the same, I have to divide 2 by what? By 4. Are you following me? So they divide, have you? Divide what? 3 by what? By 4. That will give us what? 4x squared over what? 4, abi? Plus what? 4y squared over what? 4. Minus, right? Minus 4x over what? 4. Minus 12y over 4. Plus 1 over 4 equals to what? 0 over what? 4. This can go, right? What do we have left? X squared plus 1. Are you there? Now, for me to complete the square, what do we do? Transfer this young man across, abi? We move what? 1 over 4 across the other side. That will give us what? X squared plus what? Y squared. Minus x minus 3y equals to what? Minus 1 over 4. Then what do we do? But then we bring our x squared along with what? X, abi? We bring the x together and the y what together. That will give us what? X squared minus x, abi? Plus what? Y squared minus 3y equals to what? Minus 1 over 4. Then we'll now say convert to what? Trinomial. Convert to trinomial. By converting that to trinomial, we complete what? Complete what? The square, abi? Is it not? Now, how do we do that? We add what? Half the coefficient of what? Of s, the square of it, and y, abi? To both sides of the equation. What do you can take the coefficient of x here? Minus what? Minus 1, abi? What we are with? Minus 1. What about y here? Minus 3. So we add what? Minus 1 over 2 all squared to both sides of what? The equation. Is it not? Also add what? Minus 3 over 2 all squared to both sides of what? Of the equation. Those who are just coming. This semester, forward never, backward never. There's nothing like some makeup class. Go and subscribe my YouTube videos and watch the previous class. Go and watch them. Happen? We have x squared minus what? X, abi? Are you there? We are adding plus. What is the coefficient of this x here? In brackets, minus what? 1 over 2. Then you do what? You square it. Is it making sense? What's the next one? Plus what? Y square. Abi? Minus what? 3y. Plus we add what again? Minus what? 3 over 2 all square. Is it making sense? Equals to what? Minus 1 over 4 plus minus 1 over 2 all square plus minus 3 over 2 all square. Thank you. What do we do? We convert back to what? Binomial, abi? Are you aware? Are you aware? I just come in. What do we have? Convert to what? To binomial, right? So how do you convert to binomial? We pick this and this, right? The one that has square. What do we have here? Minus. Your focus will not be on this sign, abi? Not on this sign, no. Don't come and say everything should be plus. If I have here to be minus, so that means the half of this becomes what? Minus 1 over 2 all squared. So here becomes, let's watch, x minus, abi? 1 over 2 all remaining squared. plus what do we have there? Y minus 3 over 2 all what? All squared equals to what? Minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 9 over 4. Is it not?
Yes.
Comes what? S minus what? Half. All squared plus what? Y minus 3 over 2 all squared equals to what is the same here? 4 into 4 is what? Times minus 1. 4 into 4 is what? Times 1. 4 into 4 is what? Times 9. So what do you have? 9 over 4. Are we? So here becomes x minus 1 over 2 all squared plus y minus 3 over 2 all squared equals to what? 9 over 4. Then you now recall that standard what? Equation of a circle. That will give us s minus h, all squared plus what? Y minus k all square equals to what? We call that standard equation of a circle equals s minus h all square plus y minus k all square equals to what? All square. Our job is to convert this to look like what? The standard form. Now we have succeeded,
Yes.
Is it not? Then after getting this, we now compare this with what? With the standard equation to get the value of what? Of h and what? And k. Since both equations are the same, both equations are the same, this shows that what? 4x squared plus what? 4y squared minus 4x minus 12y plus 1 equals 0 represent what? A circle. Are you following me? Represents a circle. Finish. Now find what? Our center, what's our center? H, k, which is same as what? What's our center now? H, k, right? From here, let's watch. For our center, what's our h? I'll compare this with this, right? Minus h equals to what? Minus half. We compare. Let's call this equation what? Equation 1, Equation what? 2. We compare both equations. Minus h equals to what? Give me the value. Minus half. Therefore, we are saying that our h is what? 1 over 2. We also compare what? Minus k equals to what? Minus 3 over 2. Therefore, our k equals to what? 3 over 2. One thing is our center. Center becomes what? H, k, which is what? 1 over 2, what? 3 over 2. Is it? Oh, it's making sense, right? What is our radius? For radius R, we compare what? R square with what? 9 over 4. So we have R square equals what? 9 over 4. That implies what? R equals what? Square root of what? 9 over 4, which is same as what? 3 over 2. Are you following me? It's like a circle that has a center and a starting what? Radius. The center is what? H, k. But this circle has several what? Locus. We have our first locus, which is S1, what? Y1. We have another one here, which is what? P2, S2, what? Y2. We have another one here, which is what? P3, S3, what? Y3. We have 3 different locus on the circle, but we don't have the center and radius. So find the word center and what and radius. Now the way we can solve it by using what? General what? Equation of the circle. So I will now be solving each of them one after the other. I will solve this when s is what? 1, y is what? 5. I will form equation what? 1. I will solve this again when s is what? 5. What's our y? 3. I'll solve again equation what 2. I will now do the same thing with this equation what 3. Then I'll use the 3 equation to find what the radius and what the center by using simultaneous what equation. Can we proceed? Recall that general equation of a circle is what? X squared plus what? Y squared plus 2gs plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Please subwriting, pay attention. We all know this, Abi. Apart from those I just given today. This is called what? General what? Equation of a circle. So I will use this equation of a circle to solve this equation. I will now solve when P1 is what? 1,5. Yeah, I'm saying that my S1 is what? My S is what? 1. My Y is what? 5. Abi? So I'll put the value here. What we have here? 1 square plus what? 5 square. Can I say this is same as 2g plus 10f plus 26 equals plus what? C equals to what? 0. Equation what? 1. Can I?
Yes.
Are you following me? We added these two now. We have what? 26, Abi? Just in order. Then I'll now say when what again? When P2 is what? 25 plus 9, Abi? Plus what? Go, give me the value. Change it. Plus 2f plus what? 10 equals 0. Equation what? 3. I will now say solve the equations. Simon what? Simultaneous. I will bring them out. Where are the 3 equations? Give me the 3 equations. 2g plus what? 10f plus what? 26 plus c equals what? What again? 10g plus 6f 34 plus c equals what? 0. What again? 6g minus what? Plus 10 plus c equals what? 0. Equation 1, equation 2, equation what? 3. We solve simultaneously, right? See what we do here. Let me show what we do. Since this c, they are standing alone, as in they don't have any coefficient, right? Are you there? I can easily make c as what? The subject of the formula from equation 1. That implies what? C equals what? Minus 2g minus 10f plus 26. Abi? Anything you have in equation from that expression, put that equation into what? Equation 2 and what? 3. So the new equation form, when you do that in equation 2 and 3, you now solve them what? Simultaneously. We make what? Make C subjects of what? Of the formulae in equation what? 1, right? That will give us, for giving the value of C there, C equals to what? Are you following me? I will now say put equation what? For the new equation form into what? Equation 2 and 3. Equation 4 into equation 2 and what? 3. Are you following me? I cannot put equation 4 into equation 1. Do you know why? Because I generated equation 4 from where? Equation 1. Putting it back to give me 0 equals what? 0. Let's write it. That means you already know where. You'll be aware. So, is that the equation here? Are you all following me? Are you following me? Okay. Put equation 4 into what? Equation 2 and 3. So let's put equation 4 into equation 2 first. Abi? Equation 2 says what? Equation 3 says what? 6G minus what? Good. All equals to what? 0. Equation what? 6. Equation 5 is where? Where is 5?
You don't try for
Five, Abi? Sorry, I don't know. What do you call this in mathematics? Roman figure. I'm not a Roman now. So, equation 5 and what? Equation 1, 6. So these two, they are now what? 2 unknown, Abi? I will now solve these 2 unknown simultaneously. Are you following me? Yeah. Let's say solve. Solving equation what? 5 and 6, Abi? Equation 5 and what? Equation what? 6, Simon. Simultaneously. 5 says what? Now what do we do? You can tell me, what do we do to solve this? The constant, Abi? Okay. Look at this. Look at this. If I'm to use by elimination, it is preferable that we move this constant to the other side, Abi? When I can as well make either G or F as well subject, then substitute that value of G or F into the other equation to solve for the unknown. Isn't that so? Which one do you want? Choose anyone. Elimination method. Let me just do this to be. Since we are saying that equation 4 is this, Abi, here becomes what? 8G minus 4F equals to what? Minus 8. Abi? Minus 8. Is it not? What about this? Equals to what? 16. The same thing. This is equation what? 4. 4, Abi? Equation what? 6. Is it not? So by elimination method, what do we do? What coefficient of this 8 of this G here? 8, Abi. Here is what? I'll look for a means to make them have the same word coefficient, Abi, by multiplying what by what? It's too long. Let's multiply this now by 2, this by 1. This times 2, this by 1. What is 2 times 4? 8. Are you following me? What is 1 times 8? Is 8. Is it making sense? Even though I say multiply this by what? Let's watch. This by 4, Abi? This by what? By 8. 4 here is 1. 4 here is what? It's 2. So this by 1, this by 2. Which one did you prefer? Which one change for secondary school? Which one do you want now? 1 and 2 is okay. Or you want 8, 4 by 8? Yes. 1, 4 by 8. Because times what? Times 2. 8G times 1. 8G. What is minus 4F times 1? Minus 4F. Minus. Then what do? We subtract, right? We subtract both what? Equations, right? I'll put my minus sign here, is it not so? 8G minus 8G is what? Cancel out, there is 0, is it not? Minus 4F minus 24 is what? 20, thank you. What do you have? 20 what? F for this equation back equals to what? Minus 8 minus 32 is what? Minus what? 40. Is it not so? How do we find F? Divide both sides by 20. Therefore, it implies that F equals what? Minus 40 over 20. What's our F? Minus 2. I've gotten F. It's not easy to find what? G. What do? We put the value of F equals to minus 2 into what? Equation. Any of the equation, I can use equation 4 or what? Equation what? 6. Sorry, 5 or 6. Are you following me? Good. F equals what? Minus 2 into what? Equation 5. Equation 5 says what? Is G, Abi? minus what? 4f, is it not? Equals what? Minus 8. Are you there? And this will give us what? 8g minus 4 times minus 2 equals minus 8. So we have 8g plus what? 8. Equals to what? Minus 8. What's that 8g? Minus 8 minus 8. Abi? You can write to this point. Ozoagula, have you find your C? You have to find the value of C. What? To find C, we say put, put what? Put G equals to what? Minus 2, and what? F equals what? Oh, they are both minus 2. Minus 2 into equation what? Equation 4, Abi? Are you aware? Equation 4 says what? Take your note. What's equation 4? C equals what? Minus 2g minus what? 10f minus 26. Is it plain? Okay. We say put g equals minus 2 and f equals minus 2 into equation what? 4. That says that c equals minus 2g minus 10f minus 26. So let's find the value of c. Then c becomes what? Minus 2 times minus 2 as well. Good. Then we have to find the word equation, right? Is it not? We have to recall that what? S squared plus what? Y. 2gs plus what? 2fy plus c equals 0. So that means that anywhere we see g, we put what? Minus 2. What's our f? Minus 2. What's our c? Minus 2. That will now form the equation. Now watch what will happen. And that will give us what? Can we go x squared plus y squared plus what? 2 times minus 2x. Is it not? Yeah. Are you 2 what? Minus 2 what? Y. Is it not? Is it plus c? Plus minus 2 Abi equals to what? 0. This will give us what? X squared plus what? Y squared. Minus 2 times 2 is what? Minus 4x. Now 2 times 2 is what? Minus 4y. Minus 2 times plus 1 is what? Minus 2 equals to what? 0. This is the equation we are looking for. X squared plus what? Y squared minus 4x minus what? 4y minus 2 equals what? 0, right? So what do we do first? We move this constant other side. Minus 2 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equals 10. Are you following me? Cover that. Bring that to what? The standard what? Standard equation of a circle. Is it not? What is standard? S minus h all squared plus what? Y minus k all squared equals what? R squared. So this is equation what? 1. Equation what? 2. Okay. What we do, we compare both what? Equation. We compare, right? Compare both equations. By the time we compare both equations, minus h equals what? Equals minus 2, Abi. Therefore, h is what? 2. Is it not? Also, minus k equals what? Minus 2. Therefore, what? K is what? 2. So we can say that our center, which is h comma k, will give us what? 2 comma 2. I'm not going to answer. Plan for yourself. Number 2, we have our radius. What's our radius? You can say we compare, right? Compare r squared with what? With 10. 10. Therefore, we say r equals square root of 10. Let me drop this as your assignment. All of you, assignment. 4 comma 6. 4 comma 1 rather. And 6 comma 5. 6 comma completing the square method. This and this was given, abi? But here we don't have this, the third one. Are you following me now? Now what do? The sum when x is what? X is what? X is 4, y is what? 1. Equation what? 1. So when x is what? 6, y is what? Equation what? Then we now use this to generate equation 3. Knowing that we are told that our center is what? Minus g comma what? Minus f. And this g represents the s, abi? Here is what? The y. So the third one becomes what? Minus what? 4. Or let me say 4 times what my x? Minus g. Plus what's my y? Minus f equals to what? 16. Here becomes minus 4g minus f equals 16. Equation what? 3. So you use this equation 1, equation 2, and equation what? 3 to find what? Your g and what? F. Is it okay that way?